Hey everyone, welcome to the Tenorshare PDNob channel. If you regularly study, work with reports, or review documents, you probably spend a lot of time reading PDFs. But simply reading isn't always enough. Sometimes you need to highlight important sections so you can find them later. You need to add comments with your thoughts or questions. You need to underline key points to emphasize them. In other words, you need to take notes directly on your PDFs. The good news is that there are several easy ways to do this, whether you're using a mobile device or a laptop. In this video, I'll show you two simple methods to highlight, comment, and underline PDF text easily. The first method uses browser PDF viewers, which are convenient and already available on most devices. The second method uses Tenorshare PDNob, which provides more advanced annotation and editing features. Let's get started. First, let's look at method 1. Take notes on PDF using browser viewers. Most modern browsers like Chrome, Edge, or Safari include built-in PDF viewers that allow basic annotations. This means you can open a PDF directly in your browser and add simple notes without installing any additional software. Once the PDF opens, look for the annotation toolbar in the PDF viewer. It might be hidden behind an icon, but it's usually there. Use the highlight tool to mark important text. If your browser supports it, you can also add comments or notes. When you're done, simply save or download the annotated PDF to keep your notes. The pros of this method are its accessibility. No software installation required. It works on both laptops and some mobile browsers, and it's a quick solution for simple annotations. However, the cons are significant if you need to do more than the basics. There are limited annotation tools available. Some browsers don't support comments or underlining at all. Editing and organizing notes across multiple documents can be difficult. And if you need to work offline or with complex documents, browser tools often fall short. Because of these limitations, many users prefer a dedicated PDF annotation tool, especially when they need to review documents frequently. That brings us to method 2. Take notes on PDF using Tenorshare PDNob. If you want a more complete note-taking experience, Tenorshare PDNob PDF Editor is a great option. It provides a full set of annotation tools, making it easier to highlight, comment, underline, and organize your notes while reading PDFs. Here's the process. First, download and install Tenorshare PDNob. Open the software and click Open PDF to import your document. Navigate to the Comment or Annotation tab section. Now you have a full toolkit at your disposal. Use the Highlight and Underline tools to mark key passages. Use the Comment tool to add sticky notes or text boxes with your thoughts. You can even add shapes, arrows, or drawings to visually emphasize elements. When you're done, simply save the annotated PDF so you can review your notes anywhere at any time. The advantages of PDNob are exactly what serious note-takers need. Multiple annotation tools like highlight, underline, comments, shapes, and more. It's easy to organize notes even in long, complex documents. It works well for study, research, and document review. And it's not just for notes. It also supports full PDF editing, including OCR for scanned documents and file conversion, making it a versatile tool for all your PDF needs. The only con is that it requires downloading software, and some advanced features may require the full Pro version. Now let's compare the two methods. Browser PDF viewers are very easy to use and work well for quick highlights when you're in a pinch. But they usually offer only basic annotation tools and limited functionality. They are great for quick highlights when you need something fast. Tenorshare PDNob is easy to use and provides a much richer note-taking experience with advanced annotation tools, especially if you frequently review or edit PDFs. You get more tools, better organization, and the ability to do far more than just highlight text. So those are two easy ways to take notes on PDFs on mobile and laptop. Browser PDFs can help you on the go, but Tenorshare PDNob can make your note-taking much more efficient and effective. If this guide helped you get more out of your PDFs, please give the video a like. For a link to try PDNob, check the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.